Hello there, and this is my game collection. Here we have PSP, Need for Speed Carbon All in the City, my Action Replay Max, and I've done a cover for it and I'll show you. And I've done a picture of the disc. And here is my memory card. I've got a golden sticker on because my brother has the same one, just to tell which is which. Here's my Action Replay Max memory card. Here's my brother's. Here is my PS1 memory card, and here's my brother's PS2 memory card. Here's for PS1 SimCity 2000. I don't know why it has the put on it, it's just the way I got it. Here's Disney Pixar cards for the DS. And here's RC Stonecopter for the PS1. And for the DS, My Sims. And I've got another game there, Crushing Spyro Super Puck Volume 3. I put that in because there's a holder for them kind of games. And here's Rugrats in Paris the movie for PS1. There's Rayman for DS. SpongeBob SquarePants Super Sponge for PS1. And I've done a cover for it, and I've drawn it there. And I've also done it for Rugrats. Here. And then a picture, and I've done the ages 3 and for the Action Replay Max 7s. And here I have my brother's Action Replay Max cheat disc. And here's for PS1 Driver. And V-Rally for PlayStation 1. And Army Men Air Attack for PlayStation 1. Need for Speed Underground 2 for Nintendo DS, and my brother wanted to show you this picture in Audi the Man's Quattro copied off Need for Speed Carbon for the PS2, which I'm going to show you that game. And here's the stock performance. And I've done my, he drawn all that for me, and I've done my custom performance. And here is my PS2 games. Firstly, we have Mercenaries, FIFA 06, News 2 Hot in Fortnite, Racing Simulation 3, The Sims 2, GT Racers, up to the next line, Need for Speed Underground, Sims, Need for Speed Pro Street, Colors Canamedic, Medal of Honor Frontline, Disney Pixar Cars, and here is Terminator 3, Rise of the Machines, and there's Ultimate Spider-Man and Road Trip Adventure, and here is Spider-Man, and here is Disney Pixar Finding Nemo, and here is Max Payne, and up the next line, Street Boys, SpongeBob SquarePants Revenge of the Flying Dutchman, Scooby-Doo Night of 100 Frights, and here's Burnout 2 Point of Impact, and The Sims Busting Out, and here's Crash Nitro Kart, up to the next line for PS2 games. Here's Midnight Club 3 Dub-Ed Edition, and here's Driver 3, and Digger DVD, what you can watch for PS2. Here's Need for Speed Most Wanted, Victorious Boxers, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, Gran Turismo 3, 2006 Germany World Cup, Gran Turismo 4, Burnout 3 Takedown, Hot Wheels World Race, Maxed Out Racing, and here's another line, Juiced, Need for Speed Carbon for the PS2, which I've shown you the picture of what my brother copied before. Here's Sonic Heroes, Need for Speed Underground 2, International Q Club, GTR 400, and here we have another line, Ready to Rumble Boxing Round 2, Hot Wheels Stunt Track Challenge, Spyro and Alley Dragonfly, The Simpsons Hit and Run, FIFA Street, Tom Clancy's Splinter Cell, Crescent Suzuki Racing, FIFA 07. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you have a nice day. Bye. And before you go, sorry, some of the games are my brother's. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.